Ayan. So we are here at the city of Verdun. Verdun, France. Umuulan. It's rainy, guys. It's here. Ayan. So here. Super lamig, guys. Ayan. Ito yung mga restaurant nila dito, guys. Ayan. Ayan, guys. Ayan. Yung mga restaurant dito. Ayan. Guys. Akit tayo dyan, guys. Venetian. Ayan. So, ayan, guys. Ayan. Ayan, guys. Ayan. So, ayan. Ito kami, guys. Akit kami dyan sa ayan. Yung tower. Yung tower. Ayan, guys. Ang ganda. Ito siya, guys. Orange. Ito yung tower. Ay, ito yung bunga, guys. Wow, so nice, guys. Here. Ayan. Ito na yung tower, guys. Dito kami hinikutan. So, dito na yung tower. Tara, ito yung ito yung sentrale nila dito sa Verdun, guys. Ayan. Ito ka dyan, umakit ka dun sa taas. Ayan. Sa Verdun. So, ayan. Yung place. Ayan, ganda, guys. Akit tayo dyan, guys. Akit natin mga katutuhuran. We are here. Doon yung tower na yan, guys. Akitin natin. Let's see in the tower. Akyat. Nandun si Shirenja Vlog, guys. Ayan. May nakahanda na tayong bambum-bumba. Ayan. Tayo, guys. Ayan. Oh my God, hiningal ako, guys. Ayan. Kaya tayo. Nice flower. Ayan. Verdun. France. Oh. Ano ba to? Oh, it's overlooking. Be careful, ha? Be careful.
Tanggalin ko na yung ano ko kasi hindi na siguro umulan.
Mag-picture tayong dalawa sa tissue. Ayan. We're looking here, guys. Ayan. Looking here. Hi, guys.
Finally, umaraw na pero ito na naman. Tinanggal ko yung coat ko, umuulan na
Diyan,
naman.
in and out yung jacket. Kasi umulan na guys. Umulan at umaraw. Okay lang, kiri lang kasi ito yung gala. It's a part of gala guys. So, nandito kami sa overlooking guys ng France. Gala pa more. Hi guys. Kayo can understand this one. I understand only in 3 it's free. Ito virgin mo. Magbanay tayo. Ha? Ayan virgin. French. Ito yung loob. May history ko guys. I don't know the history. I don't know the story guys. May story to kasabi ng Terry. It was have a history this. Meron siyang history nito guys.